Step 1. Access the gift card editor. First, log into your Occasion workspace. Then navigate to Listings on the left sidebar menu. Next, click on My Templates and find the gift card template and click on Create Listing. This should redirect you to the gift card editor. Step 2. Enter basic gift card information. In the editor, start by naming your gift card and write a short description like perfect for playtime fun. This gift card can be redeemed for any activity at our play space. Step 3. Set gift card pricing. Now set up the gift card pricing. Scroll down and click on Add Pricing question. Select drop-down list, pricing question, and you can add the title, toggle on as required, and add the denominations for your gift card values. Step 4. Upload images. Add images that show off your play space. Go to the Image tab and click Upload Image. Select bright, cheerful images of your gift card. These visuals help make the gift card more attractive. Step 5. Set gift card expiration. If you want the gift card to expire, go to your account settings, your business, and select credit. Here you can set the expiration period by entering the number of days if necessary. And that's it. You've set up a gift card for your play space.